Hello and welcome back to the channel Info, and today I will show you how to share your AliExpress cart. When you say that you want to share your AliExpress cart, basically what you want to do is create your list. So let's open AliExpress and I will show you on visual example how it should look like. So go to your cart and make sure that all products that you want to share, that you like them. They are basically in your wish list. So to do that, you need to open item and make sure that this heart next to it is red, because if it will be not on my wish list, it will simply be gray. You want it to be red. So when you make sure that you liked your items, you need to go to your account and go to your wish list, and now at the top select my list section and now press make a wish list button. Now we want to give name for your wish list, and you can select whether you want it to be private or public. Press create list, and you have to add items to your list. So that's why I said that all your items should be liked, should be in your wish list, because now you have here on your screen items that are on your wish list, and now we want to simply mark them like that and tap add button, and now we see that I have created my wish list, and to share it I need to press this share an icon, which will generate a copy link that I can copy and send it to someone, or I can show person QR code. So that's unfortunately the only way how you can share your cart on AliExpress, and I really hope that this video helped you, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.